Most people compare credit building tools without understanding what they actually do, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, not all credit-related apps work the same way, and choosing the wrong one can slow your progress for months. In this video, we are comparing the Grid with Self-Lender so you can clearly understand which one is better for building credit in 2026. Let's start with the simple difference. Grid is mainly a cash advance and financial management app. Self-Lender, on the other hand, is designed specifically as a credit builder loan service. That difference alone changes everything. Now here's what most people miss. Grid is not built primarily to report credit activity in the same structured way as traditional credit builder loans. It focuses more on cash flow, budgeting, and short-term financial support. Self-Lender is built specifically to create installment loan history that is reported to credit bureaus. Let's break it down in real terms. With Self-Lender, you take out a small loan that is held in a secured account. You make monthly payments, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus. Over time, this builds a positive credit history. For example, Alex starts a Self-Lender plan with a small monthly payment. After a few months, his consistent payments create a stronger credit profile because lenders see reliable repayment behavior. Now let's look at Grid. Grid helps users manage short-term cash gaps and track spending behavior. Jake uses Grid to avoid overdraft fees and manage paycheck timing. This improves financial stability, but it does not directly create structured credit history like a loan does. But here's the problem many users face. They assume any financial app will automatically improve their credit score. But credit building only happens when activity is reported to credit bureaus in a structured format like loans or credit cards. Now here's where it gets interesting. Grid can help you avoid negative credit events like missed payments or overdrafts, while Self-Lender actively builds positive credit history through reporting. So they are not direct competitors. They solve different problems. In a minute, I'll explain which one you should choose based on your exact financial situation. Let's talk speed of results. Self-Lender typically shows credit improvements after consistent monthly payments over time. Grid shows financial improvement immediately in budgeting and cash flow control, but credit impact is indirect. Now let's talk cost and commitment. Self-Lender requires disciplined monthly payments, but it builds structured credit history. Grid is more flexible, but less powerful for credit score growth. Here's the final decision rule. If your main goal is building credit history for loans, apartments, or credit cards, Self-Lender is the stronger option. If your main goal is avoiding overdrafts and managing short-term cash flow, Grid is more useful. The smartest users actually combine both strategies. They use Self-Lender to build credit and Grid to stay financially stable month to month. So it is not about which app is better overall. It is about which goal you are trying to achieve. If this comparison helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns in 2026.